Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rohan Khandelwal and I head the Department of Breast Diseases at C.K. Birla Hospital. The Breast Center at C.K. Birla Hospital specializes in both cancerous and non-cancerous breast conditions. Today I'll be talking about a very common issue with which ladies come to my OPD, and that is underarm lumps or lumps in the axilla as they call it. So there are many causes of lumps in the underarm region, and I would like to talk about the common ones and how do we manage them. Well, the most common problem with which ladies come to me with an underarm lump is called accessory breast tissue. Now what exactly does this mean? This means that some amount of breast tissue is there in the underarm region as well. And this usually becomes prominent or becomes big when the patient is pregnant or is breastfeeding. And ladies would commonly come to me saying either it causes pain to them or it looks very awkward when they wear an off-shoulder dress. So these are the reasons when they come to me. Now for an accessory breast tissue, we usually get an ultrasound to see that there is no lump inside this accessory breast tissue. And if there is no lump, these breast tissues can be removed surgically. I've already told you the indications, if it is causing a lot of pain or if it's a cosmetic problem for you. Now the new thing which I want to tell you is that earlier we used to make a cut and remove this tissue. But now we have a new machine called as a vacuum assisted breast surgery machine, and with this VAB machine we can carry out this removal without any scar. It's a scarless procedure for accessory breast tissue or underarm accessory tissue. Another very common cause of lumps in the underarm region are lymph nodes. Now all of us have lymph nodes in our bodies, and these lymph nodes are the body's first line of defense against cancer, against infection. And these lymph nodes can sometimes become big and cause discomfort. Now the most common reason why lymph node enlargement occurs in ladies is, after waxing or shaving, there is some amount of injury to the skin, and that can give rise to reactive lymph nodes. These lymph nodes are usually painful, but they settle down after 10 to 15 days and they usually don't require any surgical management. At the most, a course of antibiotics is given. Another very common cause of lymph node enlargement, and this has come up in the post-COVID era, is if you're getting the vaccine done in the arm, on that side lymph nodes can develop. And post the COVID vaccination drive, I've seen at least 50 to 60 such patients who've come to me with lymph nodes after the COVID vaccine. Again, we just get an ultrasound to see that these lymph nodes are looking fine or not, and they usually settle down within a couple of weeks. So they also don't require surgical management. Yes, two more causes of lymph node enlargement in our country are tuberculosis and cancer. Both these conditions need to be evaluated properly. We need to do a needle test to confirm the diagnosis, and if it is tubercular lymph nodes or cancerous lymph nodes, then they do require surgical management as well. So these are the common causes of underarm lumps. If you have any further questions regarding this topic, please do write down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer your queries. If you want to know more about vacuum assisted breast surgery or scarless breast surgery, please do watch our previous videos, as you'll get to know more about this very interesting surgical technique. Thank you very much.